One of the most common joint diseases is osteoarthritis, which occurs when the cartilage or the cushioning pad between the joints starts wearing away. This results in inflammation, pain and stiffness of the afflicted joint, especially in the mornings after prolonged immobilization of the joint or even after overusing of the joint. It is difficult to pinpoint the exact cause of osteoarthritis. Also, this no longer affects only the elderly, as even young children are getting affected. The main reasons for this are obesity, overuse of the joint, any injury, or even genetic factors. Simple home remedies can be used to deal with osteoarthritis unless the condition is so severe that it requires medical help. A simple home remedy is take 1 to 1.5 tablespoons of honey. To this add half to 3/4 teaspoons of dalchini or cinnamon powder. Mix this well and have this at the start of your day every morning. In a pan, add about 200 to 250 ml of mustard oil, and to this add a small piece of camphor, about 5 to 10 grams. Let this heat until the camphor completely dissolves, and now allow it to cool, and once slightly warm, apply it over the joint. In a pan, take about 1 to 1.5 liters of drinking water, and to this add some fresh ginger. Let it boil for about 5 to 8 minutes. Once it boils, remove from fire and leave it for about 15 minutes. And now strain this liquid into a bowl. Add some honey to this. Mix this well. Have it warm with some honey 2 to 3 times a day. Besides the above, it is very essential to keep your weight in check to avoid a strain on the joints. A healthy diet is also very important, and last but not least, make sure you move the joints regularly but do not overdo it. Keep your bones healthy to stay healthy. With the aging process, bones start losing density, making them very vulnerable to fractures. This is especially true in the case of females when the estrogen levels go down after menopause. Since there are absolutely no symptoms when this is in the early stages, diagnosing this condition makes it very difficult. Besides the aging process, several other factors are responsible for osteoporosis, namely smoking, hyperthyroidism, a sedentary lifestyle, a poor diet, and hereditary factors. Let's look at some home remedies that can be tried to deal with osteoporosis. Take about 5 almonds and soak it overnight. In the morning, peel the skin off and grind them into a paste. In a cup of warm milk, add this almond paste, and to this add a pinch each of dry ginger powder, a pinch of cardamom powder, and a pinch of saffron. Mix this well and have this before breakfast and at bedtime. Take a teaspoon of white sesame seeds and dry roast them, and you can have this every morning. Or you can also grind these sesame seeds, take this powder, mix it with milk, and you can have this every morning. Soak a handful of almonds overnight. In the morning, peel the skin off and take these almonds and add them to a blender. To this, add 1 to 1.5 cups of water, and now grind these properly. To this, add a small pinch of dalchini or cinnamon powder and some honey to taste. And now blend these again one more time. And now strain this mixture, and now you can drink this every day. Coconut oil is another very effective agent for treating osteoporosis, and if included in the right measure in your daily diet, can actually reverse the process. Otherwise also you can very gently warm some coconut oil and massage it all over your body. Leave it for about 10 minutes and then have a hot water bath. Take care of your bones, as frequent broken bones can lead to a very debilitating lifestyle. So eat well, exercise a lot and stay healthy.